in life, it's only have one life, you have to defend it. You see me? So him come and him joke with them. You see me? But him not know about Jamaican life, you know, so we live some gravy life. You see me? So him come and joke with them. And me and joke down, you know. You see me? Because me I pilliant. I know them places I left and they drive pan, you see me? So me I pilliant. See? And on my side him joke from because me I black man. You see me? But here one now my people. You see them youth there, they don't understand. Because here one now. Him can joke me down right by my door. You see me? And here one now. If a man stick you up with a gun or your vehicle window, you see me? And your door fly already. You see me? Like the lock. Safety lock. You see me? You see from that up, you can't conquer him. Well, that me was conquer him. You see me? So by the time I come, him joke me down, you know. And the driver there on the other side. You see me? So it's like somebody just use the door and boom! Because you know if it was style already. Gun drop out and you see me? And after gun drop out and the gas station, you find say I just space stress and pain. You see what I say? So you know some man I go lick him hard in the head because I stick up man and man defeat him right there. So camera and everything see. You see me? But how we end up in a jail now? You see me? It's like say he get mashed up wicked. You see me? And you know for complexion and for them complexion, so you know say them have to go sort it out. So me end up in a place where and I hear something for be. You see me? That's why I love Jamaica. Because you see Jamaica, then say a gangster place, but a real place. You see when I write, then I lock you up. You see me? And when I wrong, I do foolishness. You see me? So I just saw the story go. You see me? And we come here so now, then carry here so. And when they carry here so now, you carry go put in a son cell where them believe say through a four wall, them put in a pen with gangsters, beer, eye color people. You see me? That's how the fuck start again. You see what I say? So, you know we have to fight it out. You see me? Because gangsters, you have to show gangsters say you're tough.